This is all I summarized the syllabus of what we are going to cover.
1 second.
So this thing we have done, right? Fundamental identifiers, and this thing also we covered today, I think. This function ID, length, and type. ID is to see the address of that
Address. Yeah, yeah,
any object.
yeah, correct.
Length will tell you the size of that object.
Hmm.
When I say object, it's nothing but that data type or anything,
Anything.
function, class, everything in the Python is object.
Hmm.
When I'm talking from the memory point of view. Okay, so Python understand that as an object, but for our understanding, we call it data type or function or class, whatever. Okay.
Yeah,
Then type will tell you the type of the data type.
yeah.
So now we have to start with typecasting. See, typecasting is nothing but simply changing data type from one to another.
What is this, bro? Rectangle, blah blah.
This is for other, I think, previous one.
To whom other you were taking class for any others?
Yeah, for Saurabh I used to take.
No, no. You told he is quite busy.
Yeah, yeah, now it is not going.
Hmm.
Like long time before. I was checking today how much I talked.
Okay.
To start typecasting. See, it is nothing but convert from one type to another. Okay, it's just like casting means converting. That's it.
Hmm.
So let us say you have a equals to 10.
Hmm.
I want to convert this to float. Okay, so how I will do? Let's write like this. A is an integer.
Hmm.
T and then bracket.
Hmm.
Okay. Let us say a equals to 10.2.
Hmm.
I want to make it integer.
Hmm.
So how I will do?
This.
A and here integer.
Of.
Okay, like this. Inside this, whatever you will write, that will convert to the integer.
Okay.
So directly see the example. I will see in the output. Okay. I'm converting everything to the integer. Okay.
Hmm.
For example, 10.5.
Hmm.
So this is float.
Hmm.
Now I'm converting to the integer
Hmm.
and then I'm printing this one.
Hmm. Hmm.
See, it is converted to the 10, right?
Hmm.
This has converted float to integer.
Okay.
Correct.
It will take the previous integer number, or if it is 10.6, what it will take?
Yeah, then it will. Then again it will come 10 only. See, it's after point. No,
Hmm.
point means it is float. So simply it will remove this point. That's it.
Okay.
Integer means that number without that point, without decimal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then let us say this is string, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's print a type also. Okay. was 10.5. So it was float, then converted to 10, and then
print. Okay.
so converted from okay, I haven't assigned, right? It was not assigned to any variable.
Assigned. Yeah. A is equal to
Oh, we can use A only, not a problem.
print. Yeah.
Okay, no? See, it was 10.5. It was float to integer, and you can see it is converted to the 10. Got it, no?
Yeah.
Let us say I have is in quotation, no? So it is string, right?
Yeah.
See, string to integer. You got it, no?
Yeah.
This is the one which is doing typecasting. Casting is okay. And then what other example you can take? Let us take it is Boolean, okay? So Boolean, if you are converting to the integer, what will happen? Internally, Python will treat this true as 1. So it should give as a 1. I'm also not sure, but let's see. It should give here as 1, and then it should convert to the integer. Yeah. Boolean to integer, true is converted to 1. Now tell me if I am writing false, then what will come?
0.
0. Okay. Now, okay. This one, right? String to integer, it happened. No? Let us say if I am doing like this. Now tell me what will happen.
1 second, wait. No idea.
See, it will give error here
Uh,
because it cannot convert this to the integer because Python will not understand. First, it will see typecasting. No, it will remove this one first. Quotation will remove, and whatever it is left with, so that cannot be converted to the integer. Python cannot understand that one. Okay, this is just like some characters. No, it might be your name also. Python will
If you
not.
give that 10 number there, it will convert. Huh?
Yeah, see this 10 number, right? So you are converting this to the integer. So when you are doing typecasting here, so what Python will do, first it will remove this quotation. So now it is left with 10. Now it will try to understand what it is. So this thing Python can understand.
Okay.
But after removing quotation, it is left with 10. Or let us say Lalit. So Python cannot understand because this was the string. And during casting you removed that quotation. They cannot understand. So that is not valid.
Okay.
So integer, what you can convert, a float you can convert, and then string you can convert if after removing those quotation, if it is actually a number or float.
Okay.
This was string, but it is not converting here. Because this typecasting of the integer, no, it will take only, I mean, inside this quotation, it won't take anything other than integer. Even if you are giving the binary number here, no? If you remember here, See this. Float will have only decimal, but integer will have decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. But if you are any other thing, if you are trying to convert to the integer, if you are doing typecasting towards integer, then it will take only this decimal thing only. Okay, it won't take like decimal and string. It won't take binary, octal, hexadecimal. So in this case, what is happening? You are converting first of all string and then float.
Okay.
You got it, no? It's like two operations here. This is not valid here. You are doing like this. That should work. Float. If we are doing like this, then it will work. But if you are giving 0.5, like what is this? String and then float. It is invalid. Okay. And then if we are giving anything, what is that? Hexadecimal if you are giving, for example. This is also will give error. Okay. So this is for integer typecasting. And now anything if you want to convert to the float. So let us say if you are taking and you are converting to the, see, it was 10, it is converted to 10.0 from integer to float. Okay. Now let us take true. True is like 1. So 1.0 I think, yeah. 1.0. Zero point zero. Take 10. It will come as a 10.0. Okay. Then let's take again 10.5. So again, see, two operations are there. One is like string. Not two operation. It is already float, right? Because we are trying to convert to the float. So this will run here. It won't give any error. But in the if you are converting this to integer, that time it was giving error.
Okay. Now it will not. Okay. It's already float, so it is giving like that.
Yeah. See, if I'm converting to the integer, it is giving error. But float is that. And then now you tell me what will be here. Tell me what will come.
This is error.
Yeah, correct. So you converted everything to integer, and then you saw what all you can convert to the float. Now we'll see how you can convert to the Boolean. If you are doing typecasting towards Boolean, so you will write BOOL. For integer you have written int, then bracket. For float you have written float, then bracket. And for Boolean you will write BOO. Okay. So let us say A I have taken 0. So 0 if you will convert to the Boolean, it will take it as a false, right? False integer Boolean. If you are taking it as 1, then true integer to Boolean. Okay. If you are taking it as 10, so See, in Boolean, no?
Hmm.
In Boolean, what will happen? We'll see true and false, okay? So we will interpret this as true as 1, false as 0.
Hmm.
But and one another interpretation you keep in your mind.
Hmm.
False means if empty is there, like nothing is there,
Hmm.
even space is not there, that can be treated as a false.
Zero. Hmm.
Okay, and then nothing. And then like something is there, even space is there, or anything. A is
Hmm.
there, 1 is there, 10 is there, anything is there.
Hmm.
So that is treated as a true.
Okay.
Okay, true and false. It's not limited to 1 and 0.
Hmm.
If it is empty or nothing, even a space is there, no?
Hmm.
Even a space is like 1, something is there, right? Consuming some
Hmm.
memory.
Okay. That
So
will take an. That
apart,
will take.
yeah, that will take it as a Boolean true.
Okay.
So apart, if it is empty or nothing, then false.
Hmm.
So anything apart from this thing, what is that true? If it is consuming any memory,
Hmm.
not memory, even 0 will consume some memory, no?
Hmm.
Just keep this thing in your mind, okay?
Hmm.
So if I'm giving here 10, now you're converting this to Boolean,
Hmm.
what it will give you?
1. True it will give.
True, correct. Integer to Boolean. Okay. And then tell me 0.1, what it is. If I'm converting to the Boolean, it will come as a true or false.
True. True.
True, correct.
Hmm.
Now tell me 0.0.
True.
No,
It will
not
take false.
yeah,
False, I guess.
false.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is nothing but 0 only.
0.
Close to false.
Yeah.
And then now you tell me. Giving one string, okay?
Hmm.
Now tell me what it will come.
1 second. It will come as true only.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Now this is your exam.
Hmm.
Now tell me. Now you tell me. If you are telling now, then that would be very good. Tell me. Hello.
Bro, that false is that this one is format is this one only, capital F only.
Yeah, capital.
No, for Boolean, false is capital F only.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, now also it will come false. Hmm. Wait, bro, it will be for type of A, will be integer, then it will make it as Boolean, then print A, then yeah, it will come as false and Boolean only, right?
See, just before this one, I asked you this one, right?
True. Hmm.
So this time what you told, converting to the Boolean, it will come as true, right?
True, correct.
So what was your logic here?
After that, no, it is integer, right? When it comes to typecasting, it will
No, it's not
remove that
integer. It's string, right?
string. Sorry, it is string. It will remove that colon, and it will then read that as true. Then it will make it as true only, like Boolean.
No. See that removing that quotation, no.
Hmm.
That was like for when we are converting, doing typecasting for integer. When we are converting other things towards the integer, no. So
Oh,
that time,
this
like for your
itself will.
understanding, I told you.
Uh, 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 uh.
Okay, because after
Oh,
remove, that was it, converting to the integer typecasting was valid only for integer, float, and string if inside the string there is existing number.
Okay.
But here you consider this as a string only.
String
So you are-
only.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
So you see this one. What I told here. If it is not empty, not nothing.
Mm.
If anything is there, it will take it
Yeah,
as a true.
true. There
That is
also
the
it will
reason.
come true.
Yeah. So
Oh, understood.
this will it is like in a string, some
Mm.
string only. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter inside that false is there. You got confused because this also looks like a boolean only.
Boolean, correct.
This looks like a boolean, but
Mm.
actually this is string only.
Correct.
This one is exactly same as
1 or 0, something like.
this one.
A is equal to int.
I mean,
What? Dalit, yeah.
yeah, string only, no?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
If we are doing this false to boolean, it will give us true only
Mm-hmm.
because this is not false. This is string only.
Okay, I got it.
See, now also this is string only.
Mm-hmm.
String means anything is there. That will
Yeah,
take it as a true only.
I got it.
True. So you remember this thing.
Yeah,
So
empty and yeah.
so when I wrote here false, so you
Mm.
should see it will come as a false after converting to the boolean if it is empty or nothing.
Mm.
Okay, or zero.
Mm.
Write it zero or zero.
Mm.
In our case, what it is, one string is there.
Mm.
The string means it is falling on this case.
Correct.
It will give you true here.
Yeah.
You understand? What it will come?
Yeah, now true only.
True, correct. And then now you tell me what it will come. One space is there. Now tell me what it will come if I am converting this to the boolean.
True, it will come.
True, correct. Okay. Now tell me what will come. See, nothing is there. Even space is not there.
False.
False, correct. And yeah, something is done. So typecasting you understood for boolean also.
Correct.
Okay. Now we'll see for the string. I mean, you're doing converting to the string. So you will write down as an str. Okay. If you are converting to the integer, you will write like this.
Mm.
Converting to the float like this. Converting to the boolean like this. Converting to the string like this. Okay. Same it will go like this. If you are converting to the list, like this, dictionary, all the data types, and then bracket.
Mm.
So let's take some example. What string? If I'm having here, this is what integer. Here I'm converting to the string.
String.
See, integer to string. Here you are not seeing the double quotation, but
Mm.
it is in string only.
Okay. Mention, bro, A is equal to true.
Here
Just true. Mm.
I am converting this to string. Let us see. Okay. It will commit like a quotation along with quotation, but you can't see. So for further processing, A is a variable which is holding a string. This is boolean here. Now it is to the string only. Anything it can take it here as a string. Even because it's converting the string is nothing like just putting the inverted comma.
Mm.
Correct. No? Whatever you will write,
With the
anything,
quotation, we'll write.
number, float, 10.2, yeah. Converting to the string means it will do like this. That's it.
Mm,
Understood? No?
yeah.
And then let us say, yeah, let us say one is there, okay, and
Mm.
I'm converting this to list. Like what is it? Not iterable. Okay.
Why it is not converting to list?
Also, see, these are like individual,
Mm.
but this list decision, these are like collection, right?
Yeah, set list string and
This
tuple also.
list like, yeah, tuple also. So let us say if you have one tuple
Give
here,
give tuple and make it as list.
yeah, that's what I mean. So it will now goes collection to collection, it will
Mm.
convert tuple to list. It has changed the symbols also.
Yes.
Okay. And I think dictionary you cannot convert because that key value pair you cannot. Right?
Correct. Check it.
You can't convert this to the list because syntax is completely different. No? This is
Correct. Correct.
key value pair and list is something else. It is
It's
converting.
very easy. It's making only as one.
It is taking only key value, it will ignore. Key value I am creating. This is dictionary. This is key. This is value. This is key. This is value. This is key. This is value. Value, right? Got it right? You know?
What?
We got now this dictionary
Yeah, I got
key value. And how many elements are there? 1, 2,
4.
3, 4. Let's check that first. Print.
Length of bracket. Length of the.
It should give 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. So if I'm converting that to list, so
Mm.
it is ignoring the value
Mm.
and just considering the key part. See, A, B, C, D, and created the list.
Okay.
This is new for me also. Even I didn't know this before. Okay. So you got this idea, no? Like how to convert that one. No?
Yeah.
So we will mainly know where are required.
Mm.
For example, you are reading any Excel, okay?
Okay.
So in particular column, some of them are integer, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm.
Some of them are string.
Mm.
So you will read everything and then you will convert everything to the string
Mm.
so that you can process all the elements in same way.
Okay.
So sometimes we need such things.
Mm-hmm.
Mainly in the reading Excel and all. Once you do practice, that time you will understand.
Mm.
So this typecasting is done, okay?
Okay.
So our,
It's saving videos.
The typecasting is done. Okay.
Okay.
Now escape character we do very small only escape character.